Alright, we're going to take a look inside the vacant space of the former Macy's at Galleria Mall in White Plains, New York. This right here inside is the vacant space of Macy's in Galleria Mall on level 2. This is an entrance on the corner of Martine Avenue and Court Street in White Plains. So yeah, this is the closed down Macy's in Galleria Mall. Galleria was much better with Macy's and Sears when they were open. So yeah, rest in peace to Macy's. And next month, rest in peace Galleria Mall. This is level 2. Alright, that's one entrance. We're going to take a look at another entrance from the outside. I think this was an emergency only exit. You can't get a view through this door. Yeah, you can't get a view through this door. But yeah, I think this was an emergency exit here. Let's see if you can get a view inside. Well, yeah, you can. This is through another entrance. Look inside the Macy's. Yeah, it's closed. This is at an entrance of the corner of Court Street and Main Street in White Plains. This Macy's in Galleria Mall is closed. I think I kind of missed this Macy's. But yeah, Macy's will be forever gone. And so will Sears be. This Macy's was originally the Macy's was an Abraham and Strauss that opened in 1981, and then 1985 it became Stearns, and then in 2001 it became Macy's. This is in White Plains, New York. Over there is the city center. Well, that's going to be it for the closed down Macy's in Galleria Mall. Galleria itself will be closing in March. Sears closed down in January 2021. This Macy's closed in March 2021. That's going to be it.